Hello, techies! Alright, this is CompTIA Lab 10.1.4. We are going to select and install a printer. So we have all the details here on the left pane. So let's get into the details and see what we have. So you are one of the IT administrators for a corporate network. You have been asked to install a new laser printer in Office 2. In this lab, your task is to add the laser printer to the workspace, use a data cable to connect the printer to the computer, use a power cable to connect the printer to the wall outlet. All right, so let's see what we can do. All right, so this is pretty much straightforward lab, so let's get into it right away. We want to go into the peripherals area and look at the items we have here. The first task is to add the laser printer to the workspace. All right, so this is the laser printer here. So we are going to see the specifications. Okay, all right. This is Photosmart. Obviously, this is not a laser printer. This is an inkjet printer. Let's look at this. Okay, data 9 pin dot. Okay, this is a matrix printer. So this doesn't meet our specification, but this laser printer met our specification. So we'll just drag it and drop it here. And let's see, as of course we need to plug in the power and the USB cable and the rest. So let's turn this to the back and see what ports are available on this printer. So we go to the cable, we get the power cable for it. Yeah, this is direct power. This is the kind of power it uses, I guess. So we plug this in here, and the other one is going to go into the wall socket. So let's move this here, and this is going to go into the extension here. Yeah, it's going to tap power from that extension there. And let's see, use a data cable to connect the printer to the computer. All right, so we use the data cable. A data cable here will be let's plug this direct to the wall switch, because we're going to use the power cable to connect to the wall. We are told to use the wall outlet instead, not the extension. So that's why I connected it. I changed the position. All right, so we connect the we're going to connect the printer to the computer. So we plug in one end here, and the other end is going to go into the computer. Turn this to the back. And we take this and plug this in here. All right, so let's move this back here. Turn this to front, and let's turn this back to front. And the monitor, let's get into the monitor. Let's see, we'll go into the let's go into device manager. So let's see if this printer has been added. So scan for hardware changes. So this is gonna add any new device that you just plug to the computer. So we'll go to printer. Okay, is there already brother HL2178? So let's see how we do. We'll go ahead and score lab. All right, so that's 100% score. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. It's very, very important. And if you have further questions, hit me up through the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and share this video among other students so that they can benefit also. And if you have further questions and you couldn't reach me through the comment section, make use of the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my other videos. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Peace.